5-minute guided meditation for gratitude. Get comfortable, relax, breathe. Focus your attention on the rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in and release. Breathe in again very deeply and release. Take a few brief moments to quiet the mind, quiet the body. You are exactly where you need to be. Thank yourself for being here today and giving yourself the gift of time, consciousness, gratitude. Now bring to your conscious awareness something that you are so grateful for right now. What is something that brings you immense joy? You're relieved to have, you're so thankful for. Visualize every detail of that and embody the feeling of gratitude associated with this event, person, or thing. Very well. Those who are grateful find more and more things to be grateful for. When you center your attention on what you currently have, more and more good flows into your life easily, more quickly. You become more patient. You become more trusting of what is unfolding in your life. Now imagine your day unfolding and imagine all the things that you are looking forward to, that you are grateful for. If it's the evening, identify and visualize all the things that you are grateful for in this day. Continue to open yourself up for the good that is your birthright. Spread love and kindness. Thank those that you love and appreciate. Thank a stranger. Smile. Breathe in and exhale. Breathe in fully and release. You are here you are now. Say thank you for this moment to reconnect with who you truly are, which is love and gratitude. Namaste.